This is the Spanish governor's palace in San Antonio, Texas. And it is a landmark. But look at the way it was built. And then you have, I guess this is him, the Conquistador. Okay, we're gonna try to go in. I don't know if I can record inside. If I can, I'll keep recording. If not, I'll have to stop recording and just do the outside here. Looks like that side is under construction over there. So, hold on, let's look here. Oh, it cost $5. Okay. Well, let's go in and check out. So we just got done inside the governor's palace,
yep.
Spanish governor's palace. It's $5 each, so there's $10.
Yeah.
I would definitely say it's worth it. Like,
yeah, for like $10, and it's just really nice.
Yeah.
Got a lot of history. There's been a lot of different reconstructions and stuff. You can see different parts of the building the way it was
then
and now, and
now.
And it just has a lot of I don't know.
There's a lot of furniture in there from back then, and I would definitely say come if you're downtown San Antonio, come down here and check it out.
And the little garden in the back is like super peaceful.
That was very peaceful. They had a well that was
like
for the
you kind of forget
palace.
that you're in the middle of the city.
Yeah, I mean, look how quiet it is. But anyways, with that, thank you for joining us and have a magical day.